Welcome to my channel. Elon Musk. A journey of innovation and unyielding vision. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with groundbreaking innovation and audacious dreams, has reshaped industries and challenged our perceptions of what's possible. But how did a curious boy from South Africa become one of the world's most influential figures? Early life and the spark of genius. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk's childhood was marked by an insatiable curiosity and a profound love for reading. Immersed in science fiction and computer literature, he quickly developed a knack for technology. At just 10 years old, he got his first computer and, 2 years later, sold his self-created video game, Blaster, for $500, an early indicator of his entrepreneurial spirit. Despite facing bullying and loneliness, Musk found solace in learning and dreaming of a future filled with technological advancements. A new chapter in America. Believing the United States was the epicenter of innovation, 17-year-old Musk left South Africa for Canada, enrolling at Queen's University. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he pursued physics and economics, laying the groundwork for his future ventures in both science and business. Though accepted into a PhD program at Stanford, he boldly dropped out after just 2 days, convinced the internet held the key to the future. This decision marked the true beginning of his entrepreneurial odyssey in America. From online payments to space exploration, Musk's first foray into business was Zip2, an online city guide, which he successfully sold in 1999 for $307 million. He then co-founded X.com, which evolved into PayPal, revolutionizing online payments. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion, making Musk a millionaire with even grander ambitions. His sights soon turned to space. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, with the audacious goal of making space travel affordable. Despite 3 initial rocket failures that pushed him to the brink of bankruptcy, Musk's persistence paid off. In 2008, the Falcon 1 rocket successfully reached orbit, securing a vital NASA contract. Today, SpaceX is a leader in space technology, regularly launching rockets, sending astronauts to the International Space Station, and developing the Starship for future Mars missions. Revolutionizing the automotive industry. While building SpaceX, Musk also set out to transform the automotive world. In 2004, he invested in Tesla Motors, a then small electric car company. Against widespread skepticism, Tesla launched its first car, the Roadster, in 2008, a fast, stylish, and fully electric vehicle. Despite facing financial difficulties, Musk personally invested to keep Tesla afloat. Subsequent models like the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y gained immense popularity, making Tesla the most valuable car company globally. Beyond cars, Tesla's vision encompasses solar energy, self-driving technology, and battery innovation, all aimed at creating a sustainable future. Beyond Tesla and SpaceX, diverse ventures. Musk's innovative spirit extends to several other ambitious projects. 1. Solar City, focused on solar energy solutions. 2. Neuralink, working on brain-computer interfaces to assist people with disabilities. 3. The Boring Company, aiming to alleviate urban traffic congestion through underground tunnels. Challenges, resilience, and future visions. Despite his monumental successes, Musk has faced numerous challenges, including company failures, financial woes, and public criticism. However, his defining traits have always been his willingness to take risks, think big, and never give up. He views failure not as an end, but as a stepping stone to success. Musk's future dreams are as grand as his past achievements. He envisions colonizing Mars, making self-driving cars ubiquitous, and powering the world entirely with renewable energy. His ongoing projects include 1. Making Mars a habitable planet through SpaceX. 2. Developing AI-powered robots for daily assistance. 3. Expanding high-speed underground travel with the Boring Company. 4. Connecting humans with AI through Neuralink's brain-computer interfaces. Lessons from a visionary. Elon Musk's story is a testament to the power of inspiration, innovation, and unwavering persistence. From a young boy with big dreams in South Africa to one of the world's most influential figures, he has fundamentally changed how we perceive technology, space, and the future. His journey offers invaluable lessons. 1. Dream big and never give up. 2. Embrace risks and learn from failures. 3. Work tirelessly and believe in your ideas. Thanks for watching.